SAT Practice Test 1, Section 4, we're looking at questions 21 through 25. So the data in the table were produced by a sleep researcher studying the number of dreams people recall when asked to record their dreams for 1 week. Group X consisted of 100 people who observed early bedtimes, and Group Y for those who observed later bedtimes. If a person is chosen at random from those who recalled at least one dream, what is the probability that the person belonged in Group Y? So to understand how to do this type of question, how to solve this question, we need to find out from the group how many people recalled at least one dream. So the number of people that recalled at least one dream is going to be 28 plus 57, 11 plus 68. So number that recalled at least one dream is going to be equal to 28 plus 57 plus 11 plus 68. This should give you 164. Now, how many of them belong in Group Y? Group Y is 11 plus 68, which is 79. And so the number that recalled at least one dream and belongs in Group Y is going to be 79, which is the number in Group Y divided by 164. The total number of people that remembered at least one dream. Now we have this table and we want to find out which of the following best approximates the average rate of change in the annual budget for agriculture or natural resources in Kansas from 2008 to 2010. So let's look at the rate of change. So average rate of change is going to be equal to change in budget divided by change in years. Okay, so this is what that means. Change in budget is going to be from 2008 to 2010, 488,106 minus 358,708, and then we divide that by 2010 minus 2008. So if you put this in a calculator, what you should get is, so this will give us about 64,699, and remember that these amounts are in thousands of dollars, so that's going to give us thousands of dollars, and so we look for the one that closely resembles that. It's going to be B. So this is going to be approximately $65 million per year. Number 23. Of the following, which program's ratio of its 2007 budget to its 2010 budget is closest to the human resources program ratio of its 2007 to 2010 budget? So let's look at human resources ratio, and that's 2007 to 2010. So let's get that first. Human resources 2007 is 4051050, and 2010 is 5921379. So the ratio here is going to be, so this is going to give us about 0.684 to 1. And now we're going to examine each of these options to see which one gives us a similar ratio. Let's look at agriculture. Agriculture is going to give us 373,904 to 488,106. So this is going to be 0.76621. Let's look at education. Education is going to give us 2164607 to 3008036, and this is going to be 0.71921. Highways and transportation. Highways and transportation is going to give us 1468482 to 1773893. So we have 0.82721. And then public safety, we have 2634632 464,233, and we have 0.56721. So the one that is the closest to this original ratio that we're comparing, 0.684, is going to be education, because this ratio is a lot closer to 0.684 than all the other ratios. Number 24. Which of the following is an equation of a circle in the xy plane with center 0, 4 and radius endpoints 4, 3, and 5? So here's the equation for a circle. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared equal to r squared. Now we need to find the center is hk usually. So in this case we have 0, 4 as our center. Now we need to find the radius. So the radius is going to be the line that joins the center of the circle to the endpoint on the circumference. So let's find the radius. So radius is going to be square root of 5 minus 4 squared plus 4 over 3 minus 0 squared. So square root of 1 squared plus 4 over 3 squared. So this is going to give us 1 plus 16 over 9, which is going to give us square root of 25 over 9. So this is 5 over 3. Now the equation of the circle is x minus 0 squared plus y minus 4 squared is equal to 5 over 3 squared. So this is going to be x squared plus y minus 4 squared equal to 25 over 9. So we're going to have A for our answer. Now number 25. The equation above expresses the approximate height h in meters of a ball t seconds after it launched vertically upward from the ground with an initial velocity of 25 meters per second. After approximately how many seconds will the ball hit the ground? So let's make this known. Ball hits ground when h equal to 0. So the height is going to be 0. So what that means is negative 4.9 t squared plus 25 t is equal to 0. So let's factor this out. We have t. We can say negative t, and this is going to give us 4.9 t minus 25 equal to 0. So we have negative t equal to 0, or we have 4.9 t minus 25 equal to 0. So we add 25 to both sides. 4.9 t is going to be equal to 25. We divide both sides by 4.9. And we have t is going to be 5.0. So we have 5.102. And we look at the options to the closest second, we can say that's approximately 5.0 seconds. Another way to look at this is you can just make a rough guess and say that 4.9 t is closest to 5t, so you can solve for 5t minus 25 equal to 0. And so 5t is 25, and divide by 5, divide by 5. So t is approximately equal to 5. So that's another way you can take a look at that.